Back on the 59 F600, the wiper control knob and the bezel, the wiper bezel, the nut was loose. So they sell a tool. I decided to make a tool. I guess you can see that. I get my arm out of the sunlight. You can see I took a bandsaw and just sort of trimmed down the end of it just to get it to fit in the little notches on the nut, and it works. It'll tighten it up. Now my switch isn't loose and my bezel doesn't spin around. They had a screw stuck in the knob. I replaced it with the proper size short set screw, and now it's time to reinstall it. I had to get a 5/64 Allen wrench to fit it. There's a flat spot on the switch stem, I'll call it, the pin that sticks out that the set screw tightens against. There's a flat spot ground on it to index or to locate the position of the switch and allow the knob and allow it to spin the shaft and turn the switch to make connection. All of this was sourced from local hardware stores and the big box Lowe's store, or the big box store. Let's see if we have wipers. There's low, there's high, back to low, and off. We have wipers. Let's try a start. It's about 42 degrees here today. She runs good.